Right, I haven't done a video in ages, and I'm not going to for a while because I'm going to be away, but we've been so busy, so I do apologise to anyone who enjoys them or whatever, or if they're useful to you. Just a quick one on 2.0 DTi or TDI, whatever the Vauxhall group call them, these 2.0 diesel engines. DPF temperature sensor, which is, see that shiny new sensor down there? I've just fitted that. There is a technical note, or TPI, or you might call it, about these regarding if they've been over 900 degrees they can become faulty and they require a software update and a new sensor. Done the software update, just fitted the new sensor. So it could be a bugger, right? Because you can see that sensor, it's right there, and that black guy there is the body of the fan motor. The sensor, where is the old one? Yeah. Does not clear, it comes about that far out, and then you hit the body of the motor, you can't go anywhere. But to make life easy, instead of removing things like the fan or the rad or the DPF itself, because it's a boy, you can undo this bracket here, this bracket here. Now get the big lever bar in there on the metal clamping of the radiator, not on the plastic. And you need to lever just the right amount of sort of between brutal and gentle, just back. You might need an assistant for that, because then you will need two hands and you can flex the body of the motor in just enough to get that sensor out and enough to get the new sensor in. You literally have no additional clearance, you will just get it through, but it saves a lot of hassle of removing a lot of parts. Don't forget, you do need to do a software update, or at least check the current software version, make sure it's the correct software version. As I say, there is a TPI for these. Alright, hope that helps somebody. Cheers, bye.